60-inch 6-burner and griddle oven range combo. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, you have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 32.5 inches. 32.5 inches applies from the front towards the back of the oven range. And the height, we have 60.5 inches tall. 60.5 inches applies with the splash. Minus the splash, we have 39.5 inches tall. Coming to the right side will be the griddle. And the measurements for the griddle will include 24 inches in length by 21.5 inches in depth. Beneath the griddle are your 2 temperature controls, along with 2 separate waste trays. The first waste tray, the measurements will include 2 3/4 inches in length, 6.5 inches in depth, by 3 inches in height. The first waste tray can be removed and inserted back onto the slot. The measurements for the second waste tray will include 19 3/4 inches in length by 7.5 inches in depth. The second waste tray can be inserted back into the slot right below the first smaller waste tray on top. Coming to the left are 6 burners. Each burner plate can be removed, and the measurements for each will include 11 3/4 inches in length, also by 11 3/4 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 6 individual burners. Right below the 6 burners are the temperature control knobs. Right beneath the temperature controls is the removable waste tray. The waste tray for the 6 burners will include 31.5 inches in length by 26.5 inches in depth. The larger waste tray can be removed and inserted back onto the slot. Coming to the left and right are your 2 separate oven compartments, and included will be 4 shelves, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, with each shelf measuring 24.5 inches in depth by 25 3/4 inches in length, and the interior height of the oven will include 14 inches tall. Measurements for the shelves along with the interior height applies for both ovens. The oven will be on caster wheels, and located on the back is the black pipe for the gas connection. Gas regulator along with the propane conversion kit will also be included. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product.